definitely not the least. Thank you so much to all our performers for their beautiful displays of talent and devotion. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga performers mula sa kanilang kasuotan, mula sa kanilang choreography, at syempre yung hard work nila. Hindi biro, syempre yung karamihan dyan mga nagtatrabaho at nag-aaral din sa baring. They took time talaga para mapaghandaan at mapaganda ang competition. And before tayo, of course, bago natin malaman kung sino ang final winner, I would like to call on stage si Father Jeffrey and Father Anthony for some certificates. And also, I am requesting yung mga groups na nag-perform, kung maaari mag-form po kayo dito sa unahan. Wala po kayo sa stage. You po first, go on second, third, because you will have all the group picture.
You are here for judging others. A street dance competition. On performance score, 35%. Choreography, 25%. New costume, 20%. Props, 12%. And musicality, 10%.
And for the Queen, Grand Santonino Queen Barley 20, the very first for this year. Dance Excellence, 40%. Santonino Festival Spirit, 30%. Visual Appeal, 20%. And Ocean Impact, 10%. Again, tinatawagan na iniimbitahan po lahat ng groups, El Shaddai, Bisda. Pwede po ba to move faster, please, brothers and sisters, before para yung announcement ng winners? And the good news partner, alam mo ba?
Anong good news?
Oh, lahat sila may premyo. Wala po yung talo. Yes,
Wow.
it's cash prize.
Wow, so
Cash prize. Pwede ba marinig ulit? Viva Santo Niño! Viva Santo Niño! Oh, diba? Okay.
Welcome lang po sa ating first contestant.
Present pa ba ang El Shaddai Gospel Dancers Bahrain Chapter? How about Global Bisdak Bahrain?
Hindi magpapatalo ang The Gorgeous Tribe Bahrain. And the one
And katilimban ng mga Ilonggo sa Bahrain, together with the Wali Training and Development Center, KIB ATBC Warriors, and Mission of Mary Sinulog Group. Salamat for your excellent performance. Lahat kayo, you give your best.
grabe sa iyo.
Give yourselves a round of applause.
Yeah.
Yes, pangarap ko next time ako hindi na mag-MC. Kasayaw na rin. Joke lang. And as we call your group, kailangan po namin ng representative each group. Each group lang. Certificate of Appreciation proudly present in recognition of your active participation in the Athena Ginagyan Sinulog Street Dance Competition, your participation, enthusiasm, and dedication. Next is the Gorgeous Tribe Bahrain. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Next is
KIB and
action ng mga judges. Hey, Doctor, what can you say to our fellow Filipinos for showcasing their talent? Pwede po ba kayong ma-interview? Kunwari lang po na feel ko reporter ako. Joke. De la Cruz, Coordinator, Filipino Catholic Community, Secondary Church, Reverend Father Anthony Almazan, OFM COP, Assistant Parish Priest and Spiritual Director, Filipino Catholic Community, Secondary Church. We present this award and certificate of appreciation to Ms. Sainia Fernandez Las Marias. Nandiyan? Nawala na
Wala
si
pa.
Father Anthony. Thank you po. Thank you for your time. Hindi natin yung ating ano. We also present the certificate. We also present this appreciation to Mrs. Rochelle Cahayon. Palakpakan naman namin ang ating mga judges. Mahirap yung pinagtrabaho natin sa kanila.
Nahihirapan sila sa mga
And of course, we present also the certification to Dr. Amelito S. Ador. Thank you, Doctor, for gracing this occasion. Palakpakan